What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is my second pickup. It's actually my pickup from 2021, but I only got it in hand in 2022. And that's straight up from the Jordan store in Dubai Mall. As I unbox this sneaker, if you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up at any point of time through this video. What I have with me is my first ever pair of Jordan 1 lows. Now I've always had Jordan 1 highs, and I never picked up any of those Jordan 1 lows because they just didn't have the OG cut, and I didn't want to pick up a pair unless it actually had the OG cut. And they also had that random Jumpman tongue which was really stiff. I went through the size. I got a US 9, UK 8, and an interesting thing is, while this is the neutral grey low, the color code here says particle grey. Now let's lift this lid open and get that pair out. I just noticed. Look at that. Hella cool. Nice packaging. So shout out to my friends who helped me pick this up from the Jordan store in Dubai Mall. The Jordan 1 low neutral grey, or do I say particle grey, in that OG low cut. I absolutely love this pair. I love the materials that have gone on it. Let's just get into the details really quickly. Now this one, being the neutral grey low, is supposed to mirror the neutral grey highs, which is the 85 cut that came out last year as well. But there is substantial difference in terms of the materials itself. For instance, this one has a much thicker cut of leather and it's stiff. You really need to wear this in. Whereas the lows, man, let me just show you. Soft, buttery. I mean, this leather is so dang soft and buttery. All the white panels are nice and soft and buttery. So the swoosh is done in a suede finish, much like on the highs, and the heel counter as well has the suede detailing, whereas the wings logo is done in that glossy gray finish. I must point out though, although this is the original cut low, the swoosh is your contemporary swoosh. You don't have that massive OG cut swoosh, and I just wish they'd actually thrown that on. Oh, your classic tongue with that Nike Air branding done right there in gray. No Jumpman, no stiff big ass tongue. And of course your insole done in white with Nike Air branding in gray. You know, it's your typical Air Jordan 1 midsole, outsole tooling. You have that phenomenal outsole like you're used to seeing on all Jordan 1s. It's got that encapsulated air unit as well. The pair comes with an extra set of grey laces, but these are far darker, I feel, than what came on the highs. Like if you were to look at them side by side, the grey on the lows, the spare laces are far darker. So I don't think I'll be swapping them out. I might either put cream laces or just retain these white laces. But this grey lace is just too dark for this pair, in my humble opinion. And like I was saying, stiff leather, very tight, needs to be broken in. Soft leather, straight to feet. So that's about it, I guess, about this pair. I'm now gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Thanks for staying all the way to the end, you guys. I gotta tell you, this is a perfect summer sneaker. We're in January now, so come March or April, I'll probably be rocking this a lot. It's a nice, clean white sneaker. It's kind of funny for me though, because it's my first Jordan 1 low, and although I've been used to dunks, it's a completely different feel in comparison. Obviously, you've got your nice soft leather, and oh, the smell test. not as much glue as you would have on a high Jordan 1. I'm really happy that I waited for these neutral grey Jordan 1s to land in my hand, and I didn't go in for any of those other Jordan 1 lows that have been coming out. Great colorways, don't get me wrong, not as great materials, and that Jumpman tongue wasn't doing it for me. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Are you a fan of the lows, or do you still prefer the highs? I don't think the lows get enough love really. Would you rock these? Shorts, pants, joggers, what? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.